Hello friends, now I am going to discuss about the project which I have done using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is about the sports website. Basically I am still working on it. I will just show the part which I have done right now. Basically this project was to develop a user-friendly website of sports using hypertext markup language, cascading style sheets and JavaScript. The website contains an user interface which enables the user to enroll in various sports clubs. If you can see here, I have applied the sliding model over this website by using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Firstly, this is the main page. In this, if the user is old account, then he can directly go to the login, or else if he is a new person, he can go to the sign up. In this sign up page, you can see the first name, second name, email, password, confirm password, contact number, etc. For example, if the user does not enter any fields but he tries to sign up, then here you can see the validation over here. I have applied the validation. The page says that this page says please fill all the fields. It means that he or she need to fill all the fields. For example, let's give a try. First name I have done this thing, and second name, and now if I enter mail like just 123 and password like 123456, and again I have entered a confirm password 123456. Now let us take the mobile number as 1234567890 and gender anything like female. And if I say now sign up, it will show final email should not start with something. So I have applied the validation for the email field also. As I entered 123, it's not gonna take. We need to enter the valid email. So if I entered omsudha100@gmail.com, and if I enter the password only with 3 digits. For example, let's assume I have taken only 3 digits. And now I am gonna sign up. Even now it says that password must be 6 to 12 characters. It means it should be greater than 6 or equal to 6. So I will apply still more digits. 3, 4, 5. Now I am gonna sign up. Why? Because 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if I enter email omsudha100, and now I'm gonna sign up. So here you can see successfully logged in. Now it will redirect to this page. This is the home page. Here you can see wherever I keep this cursor, it will give the blink like this and the drop down box. Even if here also you can see this one, white color blink wherever the cursor is going on. Okay, now let's go to the login page. Now this is the login. For suppose the user lost his or her password, then what they gonna do? They can rechange the password by entering the mobile number, for example 1234567890, and email like, let me say, see, as soon as we enter the email and we have clicked on send OTP, this is a send OTP. Here you can see a pop-up box which says your one-time password is something. So if I write that one-time password over here, 7 for here it already. Okay, now if I go and submit it, successfully change your password. Okay, so now it will show that your new password is sent to your mail. Please check and log in again. Okay, then we need to go to the mail and we need to check that. And now if the user enter the username, password and login, successfully logged in. Now it goes to our home page. In this is the contact us, home, clubs. So in this page, as this is about the sports website, these all are the clubs related to the sports. Here you can see the 5 clubs which are related to the sports: Active Youth, New Era, Play Well, Well Sport, etc. For suppose let me click on New Era. So this is the categories of membership. For example, if you're gonna join this club, these are the details which you need to know. And if you need to contact us, here is a contact number. And if you can see here, you can see the slide down and slide up box like this. Basketball. Okay. Next, let's go to the home page. And now, if you click on sports gallery, here you can see the blinking of the images where the cursor, wherever the cursor is going on. Now, if you go to the more, here you can see four fields like government approach, ranking and rating, play quiz, sports calendar. First, let's go to the government approach. This is the schemes which the government is giving to the public. These are the three schemes. First one, the youth sports insurance scheme. Second one is the cash incentive scheme, and etc. Let's go to this scheme. In this, you can see the details of this scheme, and again you can come back to the home page. Same like this two also. And if you go back, here you can see the ranking and rating. As we know that this is the feedback is very important to each and every website we are creating. So whenever the user wants to give ranking and rating, for example, here you can see 1, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star and 5 star. If your website is good, you're gonna give this 5 star and 4 star, like this, 4 star. And if you want to contact us, you can give your name and mail, and you can give any message like any comments which you need to suggest us, then you can go over here. And if you want to contact us in Facebook, Twitter, Google and LinkedIn, here you can see these are blinking up and down. These are all done by CSS only. And now let's go to the home page. Now there is also another option like play quiz, and this is a simple quiz which tests your knowledge in sports. What are the instructions to the quiz? These are the 5 important instructions that the user must know. Now if let us play this quiz, something like this. There are 5 questions. We're gonna do something and let's submit our answers. Here you can see your score is 2 out of 5. So we have done only 2 correct. In this way, if user can also do the quiz like this. Let's go to the home page. And now let's go to the sports calendar. This is about the sports calendar. Here there will be the events which are related to the sports according to the national, international. Here you can see 2 categories, national and international. This is a national one. Even here, when we click on the images, it's blinking up. This way. Okay. And if we go to the international one, same. You can see many images over here. This way. So as still I am working on this project, I am still need to improve this. Till now I have also created contact us. Here you can see the contact us blinking. If you click on, it will redirect to the contact page. And if you wanna about us, means about the people which you want to concern, here you can see like the slide has been applied background. See here you can see that, right? Pictures have been sliding backside this words. If you click on this about us, for right now I have just kept my friends images like their details, ID number, phone number and in charge of sports publicity and all like this. Now these are the terms and conditions you need to know. We have now this is a news. We have taken the like popular sportsmen like Sachin, PV Sindhu, Messi, something like etc. If you want to know anyone about them, for example Messi, here it will be the description about that and some picture like this, picture over the picture, and again to the home page. Sports gallery goes like this. And I have also done the maps, but I need to join to the website. Wait, let me show this. See here, this is the maps which I have done for the sports, like in Google Maps. If you want to search the sports club over the area, any area, if you go to the view larger map, you can see this. What are the wherever we can see this sports club of India, Rangers Sports Club. So all the sports club near to those areas. So this I have done, but I need to connect it to the current website. As I said, I'm still working on it. I will do that. And what next? And I have also created slides of the, yes, this one. This is about the volleyball. I need to even connect this. By clicking on this, it will redirect to the next slide. Here you can see this. As I'm changing, this will get changed. Okay, home, it will go to the home. Like the same I have done for the basketball, like this. I need to connect all this to the main page. And this is all about the work which I have done till now, and I'm still, as I said, I'm still working on it. I need to improve this project still a lot, and I need to connect the maps to the main page and that slides of the hockey, basketball, etc. to the main page, and I will do that. Thank you.